Let's make sticker sheets using materials that may already be available in your home. First, find pictures that you want to turn into stickers. Magazines would be a great source of photos. However, for this vlog, let's use sheets from an old Starbucks planner which has really nice pictures of Starbucks drinks. We're going to need paper which we will turn into sticker sheet. I will take it from my notebook with 200 GSM paper. I think this will make a good sticker sheet because it's not super thin nor super thick. We can't use the paper as is because we can no longer remove the sticker once we stick it there. We need to convert the paper in a way that we can still stick and remove the sticker over and over again without permanently sticking. That's a really long explanation. I hope I got the message across. We can achieve that by laminating the paper using Scotch tape. The sheet is now ready, so let's proceed to making the stickers that we will stick there. We will use parchment paper. Later I will show you a way where this is not needed, but for now let's use it. After cutting the parchment paper into thin strips, place it on top of the table, put Scotch tape on top of the parchment paper, place the cutouts on top of the first layer of the Scotch tape, and then put Scotch tape on top of the cutouts. The cutouts are now between two layers of Scotch tape. Now, let's remove the parchment paper. Cut the scotch tape following the shape of the cutout. We can now stick the sticker on the sheet. Let's see if we can remove it and stick it again without damaging the sticker. There, it looks okay. There, we just completed our sticker sheet. As I said earlier, you don't really need the parchment paper. You can put the scotch tape directly on the table and then put the cutout on top of the first layer of the scotch tape. Then put the second layer of the scotch tape. Remove the scotch tape and cut it. But I personally prefer using the parchment paper. It has a better quality of output. I made another sticker sheet since I still have a lot of cutouts. And now we have two. Thanks for watching!